Welcome back. We're at Keswick today, walking all the way from Keswick to Grassmere while we are sleeping at Sickle Tarn, aren't we? No. Well, we clearly are, aren't we? We've got some... Hello. So yeah, that's the route. So, I'll come back when we're at the lake. Healthy.
Bye.
Cartbell's in front of us. Nearly at the lake. How are you enjoying it so far?
It's quite fun.
First time? Well, second time. You've done.
Second time.
You've done Cartbell's before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, first time camping.
Yeah, I think you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I think
if the weather's nice. But no.
I was watching it, I didn't mean to.
That's Castle Crag over there.
Quite nice. This one. Oh, it's just... Sorry, man.
Imagine that. Honesty bucks. So we've just stopped for 15 minutes because we found these really cool rocks that we're trying to climb on. I'll show you them. And has just found a cave which I'll show you now. Look in there. Oh, for you could fit in there. Yeah.
Don't do that. Oh, does it? Oh, sorry, Moss. You know, just hit it, just jump and just pop.
That's where we're going. Let me zoom in. God. But first, at the pub. Not to drink. Can't drink yet.
I'm glad we got moving.
Can we?
Nope.
Nope.
I'm glad we got moving because it's raining now.
Yeah. There's Castle Crag right there. Looks like it's going to be quite deep where we're going. Here's the river. Not too far away from the pub we're going to have our lunch at.
I'm going over this way.
You going over there?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm just going to be safe and I'm going to...
Yeah, there's no point going.
No point in getting... Because Sam's got proper boots on. I haven't. I've got these little things on. Look at how... I don't know if the camera picks it up. Look how clear that water looks. We're just walking by Castle Crag now. Oh, that water's so clear. Look how clear this river is. Oh, it's so nice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice swimming there would be good. If the weather was nicer. Just found a cave.
What did you say to be careful of?
Fallen rocks, just some that looks like it's just come down. I mean, you haven't been.
Woohoo!
I still filter it.
I'm sweating. What? I'm sweating so much.
Some lovely cows. Do you want to...
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
No. I didn't realise we were recording.
I wasn't recording. You finished singing when you started.
You dirty little thing, honestly.
What? Look at the lovely cows. Look at this guy.
Hello, William.
Oh yeah, his name's actually William. Oh shit.
Oh,
No, do not start with the tongue because the tongue's actually good.
Look at this guy. The sun's came out for a bit. Oh, little quad bike up there.
Oh, dog. Listen.
Maybe not.
I'm not risking that.
Go across the rocks.
Yeah.
One-handed is insane. Oh. There we go. We're across. This is a proper nice little bridge. Look at the water.
Look, there's a ship in the water.
Where? Oh yeah. Look at how nice this is.
Look at this we've got coming towards us.
Hard at work. The other two have run off up there. We followed way behind. Oh, look at all the other sheep coming over. What have we got for lunch today?
Really smashed sausage and egg sarnie.
Where are you going?
You can get to Walton Dallas from here.
What?
You can get to Walton Dallas from here.
Right now we're just walking through the valley. We're near the ascent up to Stickletown, and this is the view. Wow. The sun's came out for us. Looking very nice. Our rain gear on just in case that rain comes back. Hopefully it doesn't, but you know the Lake District, it'll come back.
You're so cute.
Look at those waterfalls over there.
Yeah.
Where? I think I keep going up next time.
Look at this.
Whoa! Look at those sheep.
Oh!
Alfie, what were we saying about this spot?
Limbs.
Limbs. Oh. Nice warm grass and a beautiful view. Oh, perfect. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, there's another one. There's another guy up there. Is he not? I don't know. He's somewhere up there. Somewhere around there. I don't know where he is.
Where?
No, I'm talking about Oliver in
Oh, right.
he's like right there. I don't know if you can see that. But he's up there. And then I don't know where the other guy is. We kind of lost him on the way up. So we're going to try and find him, but we're going to watch the view for a little while, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see you in a bit. Probably when... Actually, no. There'll probably be a better view at the top of that waterfall. So I'll see you at then. Well, holy crap. We've got a while to go. Look, that's where we need to go. Alfie, how are you feeling? Yeah, so am I. Oh, God. Oh, it's beautiful though.
Oh, breathtaking.
Yeah. Hopefully there's no one at the tarn and we get it all to ourselves.
Yeah.
And then we get a nice pitch. And a nice sunset, that's what we're hoping for. But right now, it's quite windy and it's quite cold. So, I'll probably come back when I'm halfway up that thing. It'll be fun. So, I'll see you then. That's where we're going up. God. It's so steep. That was the most insane thing I've just done. We've just climbed up a waterfall. Just the environment was awful. We were like properly climbing, weren't we?
Yeah, it's horrendous.
It's mountaineering! Oh fuck, I've nearly just lost my balance. Oh my god, that wouldn't have been good. How steep it is. Oh, that was awful. And now it's just, it's good in it. Guys, check this out. Woo! That's Scarfell.
Yeah, the one at the back.
Woo! This is insane. Yeah, it's pretty windy up here, but we've still got a while to go. But nah, first time seeing Scarfell Pike in person. It looks really nice. Got the snow on top. Really windy though. Oh, look at this. We're not too far away from, I actually don't know which fell we're going up yet, but getting a fell and then we're getting down to Stickle Tarn. That's what I know. We're trying to get out of this wind as soon as possible. So I think we're about to get out of this wind in like maybe 30 minutes, so not long at all. We've been blessed by a path. I don't know if you can hear me right now, but it's very windy. Oh. So windy up here right now. I'm so happy there's an actual path here, because if there isn't, it'll just be full, like, proper bogs. And that's not what we want when we're trying to get out the wind as quickly as possible. Thank you very much to whoever's put this path down. Thank you. So, a little change of plans. The weather was a bit too bad, so we're changing it from Stickle Tarn to Easdale Tarn. So, hopefully it will still be a nice setup, so we're just making our way over there. So that's what's at the moment. Woo!
Oh, so literally, we get around the base of there, so we get down there.
There's Alfie, and there's Samuel. Huh? Nearly there? Thank God. Look at this! Woo! All the way down. This is insane. So there's been a slight change in the plan. So two of my mates have had to go home because one's not feeling too well and the other one doesn't have a tent. So unfortunately they've had to go home. But we're still cracking on. There's two of us left. We're nearly there. This is what it looks like at the moment. Just above that last waterfall is where we're camping. So probably just see you when I get to the top there. So yeah, see you when I get to the top. So somehow there's other campers coming. So I've just sent Oliver, well, he sent himself over because he's quite faster. He's quite a lot faster than me. Like he's already far away. So he's going up because there's apparently a good spot to put the tents up at. So I'm currently just lacking behind and he's running off ahead to claim our spot. So hopefully he can get there before then. But it's insane. The weather, I'm so happy with the weather. Knowing that it's going to probably change, but no, it's been a good day. So I've just arrived at the tarn. Don't know where my mates are. Bit concerning, but the tent's here. There are so many people here. Oh, it's so windy here. I promised I won't be windy. But no, now my mission is I need to find a mate. He's just ran up, well, he ran off ahead to claim the spot, which I thought would have been popular. But actually I don't know what the spot is, so it might be took already. But I'll cut back to where I found him. Oh, speaking of it, there he is. I've took my time getting up there. Oh, he's actually picked a decent spot to be fair. Right, I'll get back to you once the tents are up, hopefully. Buddy, you alright?
Waiting because the husband's there. Alright.
Just casually walking by us.
Yeah, definitely taking our tents.
Yeah, I forgot to say, we put the tents up, fucked wind. Sorry for the language, it was not very nice wind. At all. So we've decided to pack up, but I'm happy because I got the tent up. But nah, it was just that wind was horrible.
Buns.
Oh
so
man.
Looks actually from Gareth.
I think this is probably a good spot to finish this video at. We are in Grassmere, waiting for our ride. We've done 20 miles. I've done 47,000 steps. I'm just unfortunate about the tents, but we'll go again. So, see ya.